Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to join and leave alliances in Last War Survival. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Last War Survival game and ensure it is updated. To join an alliance, you need an alliance center. Tap the build icon at the bottom left corner, select the alliance center, then tap the check mark and wait for it to be completed. To leave an alliance, tap the alliance icon at the bottom right corner and a menu will appear. Go into its settings, select Leave from the top, and then tap Leave again to confirm. If you want to join a new alliance, tap the alliance icon once more, use the search bar to find your target alliance, and tap Apply. If the alliance is open, simply tap Join and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can join and leave alliances in Last War Survival. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.